Hi and welcome back. I'm George Pearson. This video is about how to upload and install a WordPress plugin. The process is simple, the process is fast, the process is easy. If you need to know how to upload and install a WordPress plugin, stay with me. So first thing we want to do is go to your WordPress dashboard, and if you need WordPress, you'll find a link below to a video about how you can get a free WordPress site through Infinity Free and how to set it up. You want to go to your WordPress dashboard, and in the left-hand column, hover over Plugins and then click on Add New. And this is going to take you to the Add Plugins page, and kind of near the top on the left you'll see Add Plugins, and right alongside that on the right you're going to see Upload Plugin. Click on Upload Plugin, choose the file that you want to upload, click on Install, and click on Activate. Your plugin is actually installed and it should appear in the left hand column. Most plugins need some kind of configuration. If it does need to be configured, again, your plugin should show up in the left hand column. Hover over the plugin, click on Settings, and fill in the appropriate details, save, and now your plugin is installed, activated, and configured. It's ready to go. If you need to upload a WordPress plugin, it's really simple, it's really easy, it's really fast. Just follow these steps. If you like this video, if you're finding value in this video, and I certainly hope you are, do me a favor, give it a big thumbs up. Do that right now. Thank you so much. And if you like this kind of content, I invite you to join my channel and ring the bell. Mash that subscribe button and ring the bell. That way I'm going to be able to let you know whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Allow me to wish you much success. I am rooting for you. I'll see you in the next video.